Alright, let's get to work on week 4, warm-up 4. Start with number 51. Jamie's scores on the first 5 tests in his algebra class were 81, 75, 86, 98, and 92. After 3 more tests, the median of his test scores was 88. What is the greatest possible value for the lowest score on these tests? So, number 51. Our numbers here are 81, 75, 86. '98 and 92. And the median, right, is in a, let's say we've got this set 1, 2, 3. The median is this number, right? It's just the one in the middle. If it were 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be usually the average of those two, so it would be 2.5 or 2. Okay, so we're looking for a median of 88, and right now, if we arrange these numbers, right, 75, 81, 86, 92, 98, right now the median is 86. We're going to add 3 new test scores in here. We'll call them T1, T2, and T3. And we're going to see how that impacts the median. So now there's going to be, we'll just pretend we did very well on all of them, right? Because we want the lowest score of those tests. So 75, 81, 86, 92, 98, T1, T2, T3. So we've got this set, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members in it, right? So it's going to be the 4th and 5th, right? 4th and 5th element of this set that will define the median. And right now, we know, okay, if T1, T2, and T3 were all greater than 98, okay, then the median would be 95, or, you know, the average of 92 and 98. So that can't be it. So we've got to have T1 must be less than 92, right? So we've got to have and keep in mind that in the median, it's only asking for the lowest score of those 3 tests, because 2 of them won't matter in terms of defining the median. Okay. Let's say T1 happens to be between 86 and 92. Can the median be 88 somehow? And the answer is no, because the average of 86 and 92 would be 89, and if you make T1 bigger than 86, then the average of T1 and 92 must be bigger than 89. So we know that the lowest score must be greater than 88. Actually, let's see here. What is the greatest possible value for the lowest score on these 3 tests? Well, the greatest possible value actually is, let's set, actually now that I think about it, let's set T1 equal to T2 equal to 88. 88, 88, 92, 98, T3. The average of 88 and 88 is 88. So we're just kind of working through this problem by a process of elimination. But we could always, now that we've gotten there, actually, that's incorrect. With this particular set, it's asking for the lowest possible. And we've shown that we can't just have one number in between 86 and 92. We have to have two numbers in between 86 and 92. So the lowest possible number would actually be T1 equal to 86, right? Because if it gets lower, what is the lowest possible? What is the greatest possible value? Oh, the greatest. Okay, never mind. The greatest possible value for the lowest score on these three tests. What is the greatest possible value? So the greatest is, yep, never mind. We had it right the first time. The greatest possible value for the lowest score is 88. There we go.